Every year this tree drops its leaves. First they go from being green to being yellow and red and brown. They get dry. They fall to the earth. And then those leaves become the soil that then allows the tree to have beautiful green leaves in the spring, becomes the soil for so much other growth. In the same way, when our physical body has become old, sick, metaphorically dry, no longer able to serve that journey of the soul, we drop them. But we take on then new bodies that help that beautiful journey of the soul to continue. So in the same way that the tree is here, nothing's happened to the tree. Just the leaves get dropped, then the leaves get created. They become dry, they drop, then they become fresh and new. In the same way, we get new, fresh bodies to continue our journey of the soul. So don't fear death. Think about it just like this tree is dropping its leaves and getting new ones. In the same way, our soul is dropping bodies and getting new ones that are fresher, healthier, better able to support this beautiful journey of our soul. So just remember the tree. If you ever are finding yourself feeling scared or pushing away death, realize that you, like the tree, will always be there. Just the leaves, the body gets dropped and then renewed.